Opinions on AI. Not all AI is large language models, by the way, but I'm going to be talking about those. Large language models are getting shoved down everyone's throat, and while they have some utility, I think that utility is getting lower with time, not higher. The reason it's getting lower is to try to make the model cleaner and more efficient and more usable, is also taking away some of the wonderful things that AI used to be able to do well. For example, there was a period of time where you could ask, let's say, Google Gemini 2.9, version 2.9, generate a list of 10 to 12 most cited studies for topic. And it would give you a list. And of 10 or 12, maybe 8 of them would be real. Some of them would be totally hallucinated. But you could start from ask Gemini a prompt to go download studies very quickly. It was useful. Reinforcement learning through human feedback in the way it's being incorporated is making AI more verbose to get a better score on a test that is assumed to be a better answer. So instead of generating a list of just 10 studies, you get like a novel and all sorts of additional analysis. And the study hallucination problem has gotten worse, at least as far as I can tell. There are people who won't agree. What you'll notice is that most of the people who aren't industry shills tend to take the same position I am expressing, that the reinforcement learning from human feedback, in order to have a safer AI for the majority of the population, is making the product notably less usable, while at the same time causing the product to be more adopted. And I also think, this is maybe not the consensus opinion of experts, I personally think it is teaching the AI, training the AI to talk to you in a way that is much more persuasive, but not necessarily more true. The AI now talks to you like it's a crisis line worker. It is a really slippery slope for people who are in some type of crisis to go from maybe asking the AI a medical question, a mental health question, a legal question, to being told essentially that they are God. And I think that this is really bad.